4 out of 10 agents are losing deals right now, not because they lack skill, because their lead management is broken. 39% of active real estate agents still rely on spreadsheets, Outlook, or handwritten notes to track clients and follow-ups. Meanwhile, the agents using AI-powered CRM platforms are cutting lead response time from 12 hours to under 90 seconds. The right platform doesn't just organize contacts. It scores leads automatically, triggers follow-up sequences, and tells you exactly who's ready to buy. This comparison cuts through the noise and shows you which of the 7 top platforms fits your team's size, budget, and workflow. Real Estate CRM software is a platform that centralizes your client data, automates lead qualification, and orchestrates follow-up sequences so you spend less time managing and more time selling. The market is exploding. The global real estate CRM software market was valued at $4.73 billion in 2026 and is forecasted to reach $5.31 billion in 2026, growing to $14.97 billion by 2035, according to Business Research Insights. Why the growth? Remote work made spreadsheets impossible, AI made automation affordable, and agents finally realized that a cheap CRM saves you time and money. 70% of real estate professionals already use CRM to manage their sales funnels, per Wave Connect's 2026 data. You're not adopting early, you're catching up to the standard. AI lead scoring is the game changer. It reduces time spent on low probability leads by 30 to 50% and improves lead to close conversion rates by 25 to 40%, according to Goliath Data's 2026 analysis. A single platform that scores, routes, and automates follow-up can be the difference between closing 12 deals and 40 deals per year. The mechanism is simple but powerful. When a lead lands in your CRM, the AI engine evaluates dozens of data points in real time: property value, time on market, owner response patterns, equity position, motivation indicators from email and SMS engagement. The system assigns a score instantly and determines whether the lead is hot, warm, or cold. Hot leads trigger an immediate text and email sequence. Warm leads get added to a 5-day drip campaign. Cold leads sit in a nurture pool until their score jumps. This saves you from spending 3 hours daily deciding who to call. The Austin Independent Agent case study showed the math clearly. One agent using AI automation reduced lead response time from 12 hours to under 90 seconds. Qualified lead volume increased 41% in just 30 days, according to Agentive AIQ's 2026 research. The agent didn't work harder. The system worked smarter. Here's why Goliath Data's approach works. It doesn't just store contacts, it evaluates behavior. A property owner who clicks your email 3 times has a different score than one who never opens anything. Text response rate matters. Time between email open and reply matters. The system learns from your past closes. Over 60 days, it starts predicting which leads you'll actually close. That's the automation that cuts through the noise. You get alerted only to leads worth your time. The rest stay in automated nurture sequences. This is why KV Core, with 250,000 active agents, helps teams save 35% on tech costs while automating growth, per GetApp's 2026 ranking. The platform removes manual labor from the equation. Step 1. Choose your platform. The 7 top contenders are KV Core, Sync, Follow Up Boss, Wise Agent, Zoho CRM, HubSpot, and Pipedrive. Start by listing your non-negotiables. Do you need AI lead scoring built in? Do you need mobile access? Do you need integration with your MLS or email system? KV Core leads for all-in-one simplicity and costs 35% less than cobbling together 5 separate tools. Sync leads for AI-powered lead capture and behavior-based qualifying with the AutoTracks feature for automated email, text, and task-based drip campaigns, per HousingWire's 2026 ranking. Zoho and HubSpot lead for affordability and scalability. Pipedrive leads for visual pipeline management. Pick based on your team size and budget, not on brand noise. Step 2. Import your existing contacts. Upload your past clients, current leads, and inactive prospects from your spreadsheet or old system. The CRM will deduplicate and flag any missing phone numbers or emails. Spend 1 hour cleaning your list. This matters because your AI training depends on clean data. Step 3. Build your drip sequences. Define what happens when a lead lands. Hot leads get a phone call within 2 hours and a follow-up text that night. Warm leads get an automated email series over 5 days. Cold leads get a monthly property update. Sync's Auto Tracks feature lets you schedule email, text, and task sequences without writing code. Most platforms offer templates you customize in minutes. Step 4. Connect your lead sources. Plug in your website, your landing pages, your Facebook ads, your Zillow account, and your referral form. Every lead touchpoint should funnel into one inbox. This centralization is what makes response time collapse from 12 hours to 90 seconds. Step 5. Turn on automation and monitor. Once your sequences are live, stop touching them. The system will score, route, and nurture. Your job is to review the alerts, call hot leads, and stay in your pipeline. Check your conversion metrics weekly. After 30 days, you'll see which lead sources, sequences, and follow-up timings move the needle. An independent real estate agent in Austin was drowning. She had 200 leads in various stages of the pipeline, but she was only following up with maybe 30 of them per week because the rest were buried in 3 different email folders and a spreadsheet she hadn't updated in 6 months. She was responding to inquiries in 12 to 18 hours. Competitors responded in 2 hours. She was closing 2 deals per month and burning out fast. She switched to AI-powered CRM with behavior-based lead scoring. The system automatically identified her 70 hottest leads based on engagement patterns, time on market, and equity signals. She got alerted to these leads immediately. She prioritized calls to the top 10 every morning. The rest got automated email and text nurture sequences. Her response time collapsed to under 90 seconds. Within 2 weeks, her phone was ringing more because prospects saw her as responsive. Within 30 days, her qualified lead volume jumped 41%. Not because more leads came in, because she was now qualifying and following up on leads she'd previously ignored or lost. Her close rate climbed from 8% to nearly 11%. She closed 4 deals that month instead of 2. The math is simple. Correct tool, correct process, correct outcome. According to Agent of AIQ's case study, this is not an outlier. It's the baseline for agents who switch from spreadsheet-based tracking to AI lead scoring. The agent didn't work harder. She worked smarter because the system removed the noise. Mistake 1. Picking a CRM without trying it first. Agents fall in love with marketing hype and buy platforms that don't fit their workflow. Then they quit after 2 weeks because setup was too complicated or integration didn't work. Fix. Run a free trial with 3 platforms simultaneously. Spend 5 days with each. The one that feels natural is the one you'll actually use. Mistake 2. Loading old, dead leads into your CRM expecting them to come alive. Garbage in, garbage out. An old contact list full of invalid phone numbers and bounced emails tanks your automation effectiveness. The AI can't score what's not real. Fix. Scrub your data before import. Delete leads older than 2 years unless they're past clients. Keep your list under 500 active prospects. Quality beats quantity. Mistake 3. Setting up automation and ignoring it. Agents create sequences and then never look at them again. Emails go out, but nobody's monitoring. Lead responses pile up. The system is working, but you're not. Fix. Check your CRM every single day. Spend 30 minutes reviewing hot leads, responding to inquiries, and updating deal status. The platform is a tool, not a replacement for hustle. Mistake 4. Choosing a CRM based on price alone. The cheapest platform often has the worst lead scoring, slowest performance, and 0 integration options. You save $50 monthly but lose 3 deals per quarter. Fix. Factor in ROI, not just cost. A $200 per month platform that closes 1 extra deal per month pays for itself 10 times over. A $50 platform that closes 0 extra deals is worthless. Here's the rule. The right CRM does 3 things. It centralizes your data so nothing falls through the cracks. It scores and routes your leads automatically so you focus only on hot prospects. And it automates nurture sequences so cold leads stay warm without your manual touch. Every hour you spend in your CRM should close a deal or move one closer. If you're spending time organizing instead of selling, your CRM is wrong. Test the top 7 platforms. Pick the one that feels like an extension of your brain, not a chore. Subscribe for more real estate tech breakdowns that close deals faster.